Good day to my future employer. Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Melita Fidel Domingo. I am 46 years old, married, blessed with a lovely daughter, 18 years old. I am graduate of Office Management Vocational Course. I have 4 years and 2 months work experience in Hong Kong from March 2015 until March 2017, serving a family of 3, 2 adults and a 5 years old kid and another Hong Kong from June 2023 until August 2025, serving a family of 3, 2 adults and a 3 years old toddler. In Middle East, Doha, Qatar, way back July 2012 until July 2014, serving a family of 4, 2 adults and a newborn baby and a 4 years old kid. My responsibilities included all the household chores. They are cleaning, ironing, tutoring, marketing, and car washing, and pet care for dogs and 2 cats. I am hardworking person, honest, responsible, and always willing to learn new skills. Thank you, ma'am and sir, for considering my application. Thank you and God bless.